the situation on the ground is quite grim. Now, I just want to very quickly first tell you that the Delhi High Court has also pulled up the Modi government as far as the crisis in the national capital is concerned. Now, the own oxygen supply in the capital is only worsening. The Delhi High Court today has said, has asked the Modi government to provide details of the number of oxygen concentrators pending with the Customs Department. The bench had earlier issued an order to the centre to ensure oxygen concentrators and other medical equipment essential in the fight against COVID-19 to be released by the Customs at the earliest. This comes after the centre told the High Court that 48,000 oxygen concentrators arriving from abroad have been cleared for use. In post-lunch session, the centre informed Delhi High Court a specific nodal officer has been appointed to ensure packages are cleared by the centre. Imagine that. More than 40 people have lost their lives in the national capital in various hospitals because of lack of oxygen. This critical equipment, and my colleague Nalini is now joining us, this critical equipment, Nalini, could have saved lives. I mean, this still tells you, despite being in crisis for at least last 2 weeks, it just doesn't seem that the government has been able to put their act together.
Ankit, the Delhi High Court had today asked the centre that by 3 p.m. they should submit the complete data of the number of oxygen concentrators that had been cleared by the Customs Department till 12 p.m. today, and how many oxygen concentrators were still with the Customs Department in their physical custody and were yet to be cleared. So with regard to that, the central government has so far not submitted the data before the High Court. They have, however, said that till the 28th of April, 48,000 concentrators were cleared. But that's an argument that's not been accepted by the High Court, because the High Court has said that that doesn't satisfy the court, because in case 48 lakh concentrators have come in and only 48,000 have been cleared, then that's not up to the mark that the centre should perform. At the same time, they've also gone ahead and said that if it's taking so long for the centre to collate this data, then that might mean that there is a large number of concentrators that is actually lying with the Customs Department. So the centre has said that there's a nodal officer who's doing the job right now, who's collating this data, and within 2-3 hours will be submitted before the High Court. So we'll have to wait and see whether or not that'll actually happen.
Nalini, thank you.